Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing. So in today's video, I am actually gonna be reviewing a product. I am gonna be reviewing a product from Blue Heaven. It's a beauty sponge, as you have already seen from the title. And I am so excited about this product. So without any further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. So actually I am gonna be reviewing a beauty blender or a beauty sponge. So this is from the brand Blue Heaven. Yes, from Blue Heaven. This beauty blender is actually, claims to be latex free and hassle free, and it's for smooth and flawless application. Now this is how the damp beauty blender looks like. It's damp, it's so soft, it's so squishy, and can you see the size of it? It's so huge. I have moisturized and prepped my face. Now I am going in with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I personally like to use my foundation like this. I don't like to, put the foundation on the beauty blender and then use it, because I think in that case the sponge soaks up the product little too much. So that is why, and I'm using the flat side of the sponge and then just gonna blend my foundation and just see how magically it blends the foundation in. So I'm gonna use a concealer. And now for the concealer, I'm using the other side of the sponge. You need to damp this sponge. You need to take this sponge, and even when it was dry, it was not like very hard and it was quite soft. Now how you should use a beauty blender: put it under the running tap and then just squeeze out the excess and use it damp. Okay, it shouldn't be wet. Use it when it's damp. Okay, so the product, the beauty blender, obviously will be enlarged. It will get, double in size, and it becomes more soft. And you just saw that how easily the foundation blends in. And the best part of this beauty blender is the price point. It is super duper budget friendly. It is just for rupees 150, and I was so amazed by that it just retails for 150 rupees, and it's such a good beauty blender, especially who don't want to invest in beauty products, who are a beginner, or go for this beauty blender. To be honest, it's such a great product. I think it blends the foundation really well. I also use a beauty blender from Pack, and I have also tried their beauty blender out, and it's amazing. But still, beauty blenders are not that cheap. They are a little on the steeper side. The Pack one was for rupees 500 something, and even the YBP one is also pretty, on the steeper side. So if you're on budget, do give this product a try. It's a little porous, so don't use the foundation on the sponge and then use it on your skin. Don't do that, because it will absorb a lot of product like that. So what you can do is, as I have shown, use your foundation on your face with your fingers or with the pump, and then use a beauty blender. Don't put the foundation on the beauty blender and then blend it in, because it will absorb a lot of product. So yeah, that is one tip. And one more thing which again I really like about the product, it is very easy to wash. You can wash it with your hand soap or with a shower gel or whatever product you prefer to wash your beauty blender with, but it is super duper easy to wash. All in all, I really like this product and will give a big thumbs up from my side. Do try this one out. And yes, this is it for this video, you guys. I really hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, take care.